Okay. Good morning, guys. So we got some potential today on a couple stocks for a Monday. Why am I getting an alert? Okay, someone's added. ASTC G APDN. So this might could get moving again. What's up, Jerry? Good morning. Yeah, I've got EYG and Tops already on the list. EYG is pretty far up there right now, though. And Tops is one of those shippers. I would look. Tops would be looking for a dollar break on it, most likely. I am on the small account today, so if we can get a good win, we will take it. If not, it's Friday, so we're not going to force anything. But yeah, EYEG and Tops pretty much are the only things. There's a couple of different little other ones, but not really much going on with them. What I'm thinking is, at market open, it is Friday, and this has already ran from $5 to $11 this morning. I think we probably should get a pullback on EYEG, and then maybe we can look for something. Maybe look for it to U-shape under the VWAP, and look for a VWAP entry. Maybe. But because their yearly chart is so nuts because of all the stock splits and reverse stock splits that they do, you don't really have a lot of information. You just gotta know this is a shipper. And I don't think any real volume will come in on this until it breaks the dollar. If it breaks the dollar, then I think we could see some volume come in and move Tops around. But I mean, their press release isn't that great. They just announced closing of financings. So, but it is a shipper with a press release, so gotta watch it. Now Vive went on a little bit of a move this morning from 2 to 590, and it only has $1 million in float, like probably 1.3 or 1.2. So Vive has an extremely small float, and then if it breaks this, see, we might be above it already, and we're right at it. Let's see, like 313 is where that 9 EMA is at, but above that it's got room to 634, and then above that It's got room to 54, so a lot of potential there. Nothing there. Yeah. 5 has a lot of potential. Doesn't have a press release, I don't think. No. So I think it could just be moving. It may be a China related stock, so maybe it's getting some action because of the comments the Chinese president made or whatever about things, about wanting to work out a trade deal. I don't know, so but it could be that. And then ACTS, they sell some explosive trace detectors to shipping and logistic companies, so that's not bad. You're selling something, they're making some money. It's not really anything amazing, but. And then APDN, that was a target announced at $8. So this probably wouldn't go over $8, but it could get back up there. So the main watch right here at Market Open is going to be EYEG though. So it has the most volume out of all these. Very low float stock. Stock can rip. Right now it's above everything on the chart. It's like right here. Actually like right here somewhere. Next support, $8 would be some support. And maybe 720-ish, something like that. And what's up, One Life? Good morning. So we'll see here at Market Open what this does and if anything else pops up, because it is Friday. So opening right above the VWAP on EYG, some volume coming in, but it's going to be some selling volume, it looks like. Well, maybe not. Let's see here. No, it's actually moving a little bit here. A lot of volume starting to come in, but it's like a mix of selling and buying volume. That's why it looks like this candle's getting smushed right now. Alright, so there the sellers finally won that battle on that. Well, maybe. I'm really expecting a pullback on this. But it's starting to move back up again. Well, it's fighting right here. Let's see, I'm in the 5 minute. Let me go to my 1 minute. There we go. Okay, so 2 red candles so far above the VWAP. See, Vive. Oh yeah, Vive popped right up. Right up to that 350 area of the VWAP. I said potentially. This stock has room to go to $6. Whoa. Let's see, ASLN, what's going on here? Potential treatment. See, EYEG still not doing much. Vibe coming close to that VWAP. See, it's support right there at 267 and 282. Kind of digging Vibe a little bit here. We got to break that VWAP. Let's see, EYEG, what is it doing? Big pullback on EYEG. All the way down to $8. But it's possible it could be done. Vibe slowly coming up to that VWAP. I'm thinking about maybe getting in a little bit before the VWAP. Oh, I might not be able to. Let's pop right up to the VWAP. Still building these higher lows, but what I'm thinking about is maybe trying to get in Vibe a little early. There's potential VWAP break. This 330 area maybe. Just because it's Friday and I kind of want to have some padding in case it doesn't break the VWAP. I just want to make sure it's not going to crash out first though. Let's see. EYG, potential U-shape on it. Thinking if I get in here at this 330 area, because I have about probably 10-cent stop loss. If it breaks below 320, I'll probably have to get out. We are building right up to this VWAP pretty nicely. Actually, if this candle doesn't go up, this is actually starting to make a reverse U shape, so be careful there. So I don't want to force anything. See Wafu moving today? Yeah, Wafu's moving again. Wafu moved crazy yesterday. See Vive right up to that VWAP again. Decisions. So UIEG looks like, yeah, it's coming back up too. Right to the VWAP. Walk back down to the VWAP. The way Wafu moved yesterday was pretty crazy. And it is already bullish. Let's see. Vive, yeah, Vive's trying to do this curl around. I don't like that. UIEG still trying this little maneuver. So where's this 200 day at? 307. Vive way back down. Kinda got a little three-way going on here between UIG, Vive, and Wafu. What I'm trying to do is just trying to fill it out and see which one might get moving the best. I feel like Wafu, because it moved so big yesterday, and it kind of did it quick, that it has potential to continue moving. Let's see. One life's in on Vive at what did you say, 319? That's probably pretty good. Probably not a bad entry there. I just want to give Vive a little bit more time here. See, make sure this little reverse U shape starts to retrend here. Oh, come on. Just my thoughts right now. See Wafu all the way down to 3. Right below that 200 day. It's interesting. Oh, EYG had a nice pop. Yeah, break of the VWAP there. Nice run up from 867 to 940. Kind of missed that one, but I can't really get that many shares of this. And this Hmm. Just trying to fill things out here. Let's see if Wafu can use shape back around. Hey, look for an injury. See EYEG all the way. Drop back down. Yeah, touch the VWAP. I don't know, guys. Everything's kind of just I don't know. See Wafu big sell off there. Yeah, sell it. Oh man, looked at this earlier. This thing done popped again. Looks like it's halted right now. I missed that one. I looked at this earlier. I was like, damn. So I'm gonna light my watch list here, as we're not getting much. APDN. Top's not doing anything. Well, let's see. So yeah, this is the watch right now. ASLN. Yeah, a lot of the volume's gonna be on ASN right now. That's why all these are struggling. Because ASLN has already ran from 66 to $1.26. It's already ran 100% in a span of 12 minutes, and it's halted. So a lot of volume's going to be on this now. So we do have a gap, a little bit of a gap there. 150 is going to be tough resistance, but if it breaks 150, it could run some more. Whew. Did you get out of Vive yet? One Life? Well, you were in at 319, kind of a big drop there. UIEG. I'm still interested in Wafu. This can continue to U-shape around, but I want to see what ASLN is going to do out of this halt. Kind of kicking myself on this one because I saw it earlier and just went meh. Just kind of didn't really pay much attention to it. But this would have been a good one for a small account. This one would have been a great one to try to. Still got sleep in my eyes, guys. I'm about to say it everywhere, but that's what they say in the South, I think. But yeah, no, this is a good play. When you get a dollar stock, like I could buy 600 shares of this. Did pretty good on it. There still might be a chance. Just gonna have to wait it out and see. So Wafu's looking like a U shape. Whew. That's a rough loss, One Life. I hope you didn't have too much into it. 19 shares, or 19 cents a loss. That's why I was kind of hesitant on it. Because we're not really getting much. Like, this is a nice little U shape, but it wasn't a huge run on this. And that's why I didn't really, when this didn't pop really big, I just kind of was looking around elsewhere. And Vive's still coming down. Yeah, I feel like ASLN is going to be where a lot of the volume is right now. I don't see anything else going on. But the good thing about today, it's Friday, and we've got a lot of volume. We got a lot of green stocks. You know, look over here, 86%, 40%, 22%. Then on this scanner, 186. So, we got some runners. That's nice to see. We just got a target. Find interest. Wafu might have cracked off. Well, no, it still could U-shape. Just keep an eye on Wafu because it ran big yesterday. And so that could continue on. Because it did come way back down. And we could get a move on it. If we continue to U-shape on it. But a lot of that's going to depend on what ASLN does. It's kind of been a long halt, I think. Should be coming out here any second now. Felt like a long halt. Come on. Come on out so I can see what you're about. Who's still doing that? EYG's now cracked the VWAP again, so yeah. I think this is what we're waiting on. ASLN to see what's going to happen with it. Just look and see if there's anything else. RIN. Nothing really on that. Higher and higher. Nice move. A little 25-cent move there. And see, this is that reverse U-shape on Vive I was talking about. I saw it start forming right up in here. Because you're going up, 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 and then all of a sudden you start curling down. And that's why you get these cracks like this. That's why I didn't want to touch it. Reverse U-shapes, or you can usually spot them pretty early. Starting to form. This is a long halt. Can't believe this is still halted. Man, this is beautiful play though. Pop the VWAP, and then you get this little U-shape right here above the VWAP. So, you know, you'd buy in right here at the break of 90 cents. And then you've got padding up to $1 for 10 cents. And then if it doesn't break $1, you could sell there for 10 cents. But if it does break $1, you get a nice move. So this was beautiful. I should not have counted this out. And it's Asian too. It's an Asian stock. So with a press release, publication of preclinical data, yeah, okay. So yeah, with a decent press release and Asian stocks kind of being hot today, I could see why this moved. Go any further? That's the question, because it does have that 50-day at 150, but could gap up out of this halt if this halt ever hurries up. This is a long halt. Maybe I'm just being impatient. I don't know. It feels like it's a long halt. Vive's cracked off completely. Wafu's still coming around. So Wafu right now has some potential still. UIEG has some potential right here with the small U shape. You're going to get the break here. It's moving up. So yeah, that's nice. This candle stays above. That's good to go. Break at $9. See it move some more. Small little U shape. Ooh, crack right back down. As long as it holds up the VWAP though. It's going to struggle in $9. Shares resistance at $9 all the way across the board there. Do have a bit of a trend line, looks like, on EYEG right now. A little bit of trend line there. It's just still... Man, what is going on with this? That's a circuit breaker halt, but... It's like, oh, there we go. Now it's opened up. Let's see what it does here. Whew. Still running. Looks like it's about to get halted again. Let's see if I can get in before it's halt. Oh, come on. Unfreeze. Oh, come on, Thinkorswim. What are you doing? So my Thinkorswim's froze up. I hit the buy button. Yeah, I didn't get filled. Damn. Well, God. Tried to get down on the break of this 150, but couldn't get in before the second halt. Ouchie. Gapped up and automatically started going up. Tried to get in there, but halted again. So yeah, it looks like volume is dying off of everything except for ASLN. Yeah, so all of the volume right now is on this, and this just got halted again. That's still 155 areas resistance. But man, saw the buying volume coming in. I couldn't quite get in there quick enough, and then I think a swim froze up. Because this will probably be it for the stock. 2 halts in a row that quick. People are going to be selling out of it most likely. Yeah, still nothing there. Wafu is really losing volume. Now, Wafu had a perfect little U-shape market open. Missed that too. Perfect little U-shape. $3 to $3.56. Pretty good. Day estimate. Let's see. And ASL is already up 240 something percent, so I wouldn't expect it to run much more without a pullback, because we've not had a pullback yet. I mean, that's like the only little pullback, and that's not anything. Five, still not doing much. Well, if we got a little, I don't know. I feel like as long as ASLN is running, nothing else is really going to run. Let's crack this little trend line already. Hopefully the halt on this is not as long as it was the last time, but most likely it will be. Let's see, SGLB, what you got going on here? Just a little pop up. if anything else is going on. If Wafu can start climbing back up, $3 area is going to be a lot of resistance, so you got resistance all the way across here. If it could start coming back up and maybe break $3, could be a decent entry there. Vive is looking pretty done. It's all the way, God. It's all the way under the 9 EMA. UIEG still could use shape around here, make a bigger U shape, but I said it just looks like all the volume is on ASLN right now. MDGS, did it start moving? What's going on here? Well, they got a deal with China, so this actually could be pretty good. But right now we're kind of in this middle ground. It is starting to get some movement though. There's definitely some volume starting to come into this. It's kind of pumpy though. Feels kind of pumpy to me. I use Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform. It's a pretty good program. This is interesting on MDGS. We're kind of in this no man's land, right in the middle of both of these both of these moving averages. Starting to get a little action though. Really, Spread's a little crazy. Excuse me, let's see. Interesting. Big drop there. So I said I was worried about this no man's land being up here in the middle, because you have either way it can go, so that's why I didn't want to touch it yet. There's a pullback to the VWAP. There's volume in this now, but I don't like it that much right this second. Big spread. Big ugly spread. Right back down to the VWAP again. Looks like it's going under the VWAP there. Come on, get out of this halt. See, oh, YEG coming back up finally. Nice little U shape here. It's got to break about 875. Get moving. Yeah, Vive is just done. Vive is crashing off more. This is a downhill slope on Vive. Wafu's going sideways, so that's about done. This is just such a big gap up on EYEG, and that's why I've just not been feeling EYEG. It's like so high up. You know, it's like way above. We do got some. Well, it was up back here, but yeah, it's just so far up. Let's see. Check back on MDGS. We'll put on the list because it was starting to get volume, but yeah, cracked under the VWAP and now no volume. So yeah, that's what I was saying. It felt a little pumpy right there, but it does have a little potential. I mean, it's got a good press release, so keep an eye on it. Right now, ASLN is going ballistic. Man, I can't believe I ignored this right here. It's really annoying. This would have been a killer play, but I want to wait and see what happens out of this halt here, the second halt. Because it unhalted here and went straight up. So, are we going to get a pullback? Or is this going to keep running because it's above this 50-day? That's the question. Let's see where we at. EYEG didn't break yet. MDGS coming back up to the VWAP. Potential there. Could be a decent entry maybe. The volume has died off of it quite a bit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. EYEG just ASLN's out. I think it's out because we're all the way up to 189. God, did this get halted again? Is this the same halt? No, it got halted again. Yeah, when did it come out? That was so quick. This stock is moving like a firecracker or a bottle rocket or something. It's crazy. Getting halted. It's moving so fast and getting halted so much. I cannot even get a read on it to get an entry somewhere. Ugh. Yeah, MDGS could. Right now, man, ASLN is just on fire. Up 329%, and it just keeps running. Right out of the halts, it's just blasting up. There's got to be some type of pullback on that. UYG all the way down to 760. That's a big crack. Yeah, very big crack. Shorters are winning this battle now. So EYEG is done. Shorters are going to come in and take this over. I'd be very surprised if it comes back up after that big of a red candle. Live's done. DGS is alright. Let's see, Wafu. Wafu slowly starting to come back up a little bit. And you see it pop back above a little bit more. Still kind of going sideways, but if it can get above this 290 area, start building higher lows. See, MDGS, whoops, right at this V, right above this VWAP. Not yet. We're watching ASLN. I saw it this morning early and I ignored it. And then I tried to get in right before the halt. Right before the second halt, I think it was. And I couldn't get in time. And then I was waiting for it to unhalt, and I missed the second that it unhalted and ran straight up. So, you don't think it's going to pull back? You don't think it's going to have any pullback at all? I mean, it's got a lot of momentum right now, but three halts in a row is going to slow this thing down some. You would think. What is your reasoning why you think that it's not going to have a pullback? Crazy thing is, this float's not that low. That's what I'm curious about. The scary part is, like, try to get in this play with it halting so much and gapping up so fast. Like, you don't want to get caught when it starts crashing. But right now, it's got room up to 280. I mean, we're up 329% right now. Like, it's got to have a pullback soon, I would think. The MDGS still right above. It's actually not too bad of a pattern here, but it's just not getting that much volume. Let's see, Wafu crack out. Yeah, Wafu cracked out, so it's done. So Wafu's done, EYG is done, Vive is done. I think it's all eyes on the ASLN right now. Until this stock slows down, I don't think we're going to have anything else. Do anything, even MDGS. Because right now you got a stock that is going parabolic ballistic. See, we're out of the halt here. Let's see what happens at $2. Still moving up. Let's see if I can get in here in case it gets halted again. If it is, oh man, big drop down. I may have forced it on that. Yeah, I definitely forced it. I'm going to get 8 up here. I got to get out before it halts on the way down. Yep, there goes the halt on the way down. Big loss, man. That was stupid. That was so stupid on my part. Yep, there's the halt on the way down. At least I got out before that, but big loss, $90 loss there. I should have not done that. I was expecting it started doing the same thing it did out of the other couple of halts, but yeah, there's the pullback. Big mistake on my part. Very big mistake. Shouldn't have done that. Yeah, it's halted. I got out before it got halted. I took a loss on that one. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. But when it started moving above $2, that's when I jumped in. I was thinking it might do the same thing again, but it had to have a pullback. I said that right before it unhalted it. It's up 300-something%. It's got to have a pullback. But yeah, I'm not gonna. That's dangerous. That's what I was worried about, and I should have just stuck with my instincts on that. Bad move on my part, but just very bad trade. So yeah, you guys can see there, 89.40, big loss for the small account. As soon as I got in, it started coming right back down on me. Ouchie. I should have known better than that, though. I know better than that to try to get in something after 3 halts. That was just stupid on my part. Pretty stupid, I would say. I gambled there. That was definitely a gamble, and I ate the gamble. So you don't gamble with the stock market. You normally lose. You have to stick to your strategies. So this will probably pull back down pretty hard. It might get halted 3 times on the way down again now at this point. Let's see, anything else going on? No. No, that's another thing too. With everything else crashing out too, I should have known that it was gonna have a pullback soon. So, oh well. I will break this losing streak eventually. That was just a dumb play on my part, just a big gamble. So, there you go. There's your lesson on your Friday lesson. Don't gamble with the stock market, because you're going to lose every time. At least I got out before this halt, though, because this could have been a lot bigger loss. That's the only positive from this. The only positive of this trade was I got out quick enough before the halt. And that's it. Everything else about it was a dumb gamble. And so, also, I don't think we're going to have much else go on today. I think all the running is done. It's Friday. The later it gets in the day, the less volume there is in the market. So, and there's nothing else that has any patterns or anything. No, that's what I'm saying. Like I should just sat on my hands today. I shouldn't even try to trade. Missing this back here. That was the spot right here to get in this, and I completely ignored it. But jumping in way up here was just stupid. But yeah, nothing else is going on. It's Friday. This is usually how it is. You have some quick runs and moves early, and then volume just dies completely off. So. Let's see what it does out of this halt. See, gap all the way down to 164. See, this can blow an account up. Doing that stupid move I just did here could have easily blew this account up if it was. And there it goes, halted again on the way down. So that's a very dangerous rookie move I did. Very gambly. And all right, One Life, have a good one. I'm probably not going to do the stream much longer because, I've made my trade for the day and there's no volume. There's not any volume left in the market right now. The whole side of my TOS is moving pretty slow right now. So have a good weekend, One Life. Does anybody have any questions, comments, or concerns about this stupid trade I did? Does anybody want to yell at me? Because I'm gonna give it about 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna call it. Bad day on the small account. Bad day. I'm really gonna be fighting an uphill battle. Yeah, give y'all about 5 minutes. And we'll be back Monday for sure. I won't be able to trade Monday, but we'll be back Tuesday. I'll be looking for something to trade, but nope, no questions, no concerns. Nobody, MDGS dropped off there too. That's what I'm talking about. Everything making little moves and then cracking off. That's why on Fridays you gotta lock in your profits quick when you have them. And definitely don't gamble on Friday like I did. This was not even a gamble. This was suicide. Alright, no questions, comments, or concerns. We'll be back Monday. Guys, have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you then.